Hey guys, I'm out here at this beautiful metal roof and I'm going to show you guys how to make diverter flashings so that we don't have water coming down the fascia board and missing the gutter. So first things we're going to do is we're going to cut strips. These are 2-inch wide strips. And then because we want about 3-inch wide on this roof, 3-inch long diverters, so we're going to cut 3 inches off of these so we have chunks of 3 inches that are easy to bend. Okay, so this is what we're left with. And they're 3-inch chunk, and if you see, I've already marked on there. I made a mark at 1/2 inch and 1 inch. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off at our 1/2 inch bend, or actually our 1 inch bend. We're going to take our benders, and we're going to bend that at a 90-degree angle, like this. So you got a 90-degree angle. Then we're going to take it our 1/2 inch and bend it back. Like this. So you're going to end up with something somewhat like that. Now you're going to take your benders, clamp it together, then you can trim off any extra that you have left over, and then you'll end up with a little diverter like that. Okay, so the first step here is that we need to put some caulking on here. So I put caulking on the bottom side. See the colored side. I like to put enough on there that it's on there. You take a little piece of metal, you can make sure it's evenly spread. Then I'll go up on the roof and I'll stick that on, and that's all that's needed. Okay, so here we are, we're up on our roof. Got our piece here, we're just going to attach it to our gable at an angle. Push it down so all our caulking adheres. And there we go. That's what's left over in the end. So you can just push it down, make sure it's fully adhered. Want it to be fully adhered. That's what you're left with. In the bottom it's the same color, and it will kick the water out.